Welcome to this presentation on vectors. Vectors involve both direction and magnitude. They are essential for physics, computer graphics, and navigation. Let's begin. So, what exactly is a vector? A vector is a mathematical object characterized by its magnitude, or size, and direction. Unlike scalars, which only have magnitude, vectors give complete spatial information. Vectors include both magnitude and direction. Vectors are different from scalars. A scalar only has magnitude or size. Examples of scalars are temperature, like 25 degrees Celsius, speed, like 60 kilometers per hour, and mass, like 5 kilograms. Vectors, on the other hand, have both magnitude and direction. Examples of vectors are velocity, like 60 kilometers per hour north, force, like 10 newtons upward, and displacement, like 5 meters east. Vectors can be represented in different forms. In two-dimensional space, a vector, v-vector, can be represented as an ordered pair x, y, where x and y are components of the vector along the x-axis and y-axis respectively. Similarly, in three-dimensional space, a vector, v-vector, is represented as x, y, z. For example, vector v-vector equals 4, 3. The magnitude of a vector is its length. It is a scalar quantity. We calculate it using the Pythagorean theorem. The formula for the magnitude of a vector, v-vector, denoted as absolute value of v-vector, is the square root of x squared plus y squared. For example, if v-vector equals 3, 4, then the magnitude of v-vector equals the square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared, which simplifies to the square root of 25, and that gives us a magnitude of 5. The direction of a vector is the angle it makes with the positive x-axis. We measure it counterclockwise. The formula to calculate the direction, theta, is the inverse tangent of y divided by x. For example, if v-vector equals 3, 4, then theta equals the inverse tangent of 4 divided by 3, which is approximately 53.1 degrees. Vectors have many practical applications. In physics, they are used to represent force, motion, velocity, acceleration, and electric and magnetic fields. In computer graphics, vectors are essential for 3D transformations, animation paths, and camera movements. Vectors are also used in navigation systems like global positioning systems, or GPS, aircraft navigation, and robotics pathfinding. In summary, a vector is a mathematical object that combines both magnitude and direction. Vectors are fundamental in diverse fields, including physics, computer graphics, navigation, and engineering. Vectors are represented as v-vector equals x, y. Magnitude of a vector is denoted as the absolute value of v-vector, which equals square root of x squared plus y squared. The direction is given by theta equals tan inverse of y by x. Vectors are fundamental tools for describing motion and position in space. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.